mosese, mosese, dress. Setlhako, setlhako, shoe. Borokgwe, borokgwe, pants. Diaparo, diaparo, clothes. Baki, baki, jacket. Hempe, hempe, shirt. Hoodie, hoodie, hat. Kopi, kopi, cup. Thipa, thipa, knife. Buka, buka, book. Beke, beke, bag. Pene, pene, pen. Bicycle, bicycle, bicycle. Koloi, koloi, car. Reka, reka, to buy. Gago, gago, yours. Yame, yame, mine. Ya gago, ya gago, yours. Ya gagwe, ya gagwe, his or hers. Ke pene yame, ke pene yame. This is my pen. Ke pene ya gago, ke pene ya gago. This is your pen. Ke pene ya gagwe, ke pena ya gagwe. This is his or her pen. Ke pene ya ga Mishak. Ke pene ya ga Mishak. This is Mishak's pen. This lesson will teach you vocabulary of common items and will show you how to express possession of those items. The list of items may be useful if you were going to a store and wanted to know how much the item costs or more information about the item. Let's simulate being approached by a villager selling a bicycle. I'll be the customer and Tonic will be trying to sell me the bicycle.
This is my bicycle. Ke bicycle yame.
I like the bicycle. How much? Ke rata bicycle. Ke bokae?
Ke 400 pula. And it's your bicycle. 400 pula ke bicycle ya gago.
Okay, I'll buy it. Chapeau, ke tla e reka.
For another example, you may hear someone ask, whose pen is this? Ke pene ya ga mang?
You could say in return, this is my pen. Ke pene yami. Or this is your pen. Ke pene ya gago.
But the pen is mine.
Okay, so you'd say the pen is Tonic's. Ke pene ya ga Tonic.